Let's do it. Will, oh no. Hello, my name is Xiaowen Zhang, and I'm a research scientist from Manifest AI. Today I'll be trying to answer some of the impossible question challenges. Now let's get started. All right. So the question is, if we had unlimited compute power and used all existing data, could current AI training methods create machines with human-level intelligence, or will we hit a performance ceiling? Explain your answer. So this one does not have a definitive answer as of my knowledge. So I would say no, because the evidence of synthetic data is enabling us to create more helpful agents. And also, when you say all existing data, there's a definition of data that's sort of questionable. We have other means of collecting data just by the means of creating more business use cases and collect more human data, I think. And also those are high quality data, so that enables us to further scale our data storage and also the quality of model train. Why are foundation models dramatically less energy efficient learners than human brains? So I think this, I recall a good analogy from Jeffrey Hinton, which is humans are sort of analog machines where each of us have different neural pathways. We sort of grown them from our reaction to the environment changes, but also it's inherent to our genes. Compare that to GPUs, which are digital, first of all, and second of all, they are all uniform and they are manufactured to the preciseness of nanometers. So that itself means we spend a lot of energy on making certain that a bit is 1 or 0 without the possibility of resorting to other means of computation, for example, analog computation. So that just means we cannot afford to represent one 10 number in 1 bit. But in analog world, we are able to represent any number in any preciseness with this single voltage, for example. But in practice, that's not possible either. But this just says to the level of energy consumption that's required to reach human level intelligence with a digital world. If you had unlimited compute, what problem would you tackle and why? I would try to tackle the most serious healthcare problem, possibly trying to find a way to find antibodies for specific cancers, which requires, as we know now, AlphaFold is able to predict just from genome the 3D structure of proteins. But I think if I had unlimited compute power, I would spend it on making disease disappear and create a better place for everyone. Will LLSTMs be the future of NLP? All right, that's a nostalgic one. The answer is no, as we have seen. The last question is, in your opinion, what should GPU-rich companies do to make research more accessible to GPU-poor labs, assuming that it is their goal? Well, that's a good assumption to make. I beg differently, but first of all, I think in the future there might be a world where just scaling up GPUs doesn't give you necessary proportional additional gains. So that's good news for the GPU cores, because you can spend your energy and your time on better architecture and better learning algorithms. It's a commercial world. There's no inherent reason for some company to make research more accessible for the GPU for it's a business world, so it is what it is. I don't know what they can do. I'm sorry.